Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. This video is sponsored by Cricut. As you may know, I've been sharing my Cricut tutorials on this channel and I've been making a lot of fun like DIY things for my daughter Luna since I got my first Cricut machine. But I think Cricut is not just for kids and the parents. This time, I'm gonna make a special gift, an anniversary gift for my husband, Robert. My husband is a photographer. He is an artistic person. I think he will love things, made and personalized with Cricut. As our anniversary is coming this summer, I am going to make him a little poster with our love story to surprise him on the day. So here is the final work. In my hand, this love story poster. I am actually very proud of this project. And I used a lot of images, fonts, like all the design assets from Cricut Design Space, and all the materials are Cricut as well. This poster shows a little timeline of our stories, all the milestones with both, the text and images. It looks pretty sweet and very special. So I think this will be like a very sentimental, anniversary gift for him. I think the same idea can be, applied to a lot of different special occasions. For us, it's perfect for anniversary. It's a great, also like a wedding gift if you have any newlyweds friends, or it'll be nice for your kids, your parents, family members. There are like so many different occasions that you can like adopt this idea. It'll be cute. Again, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this poster with Cricut Explore 3, this machine in front of me, the smart materials, smart vinyl materials, and the card stock. As you can see, it's got a lot of different pieces, the texts, all the shapes, like images, like a lot of moving pieces going on with this poster. But Cricut machine and the design space are like very powerful. They can definitely handle details. If this is new to you, Cricut Explore is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with over 100 different types of materials and 6 different tools. This machine, Cricut Explore 3, cuts really quickly. It's compatible with Cricut Smart Materials that feeds directly to the machine for cutting. For design, Cricut machines work with this software called Design Space that comes free with the machine. This software is what you need to create your project and browse like hundreds of different fonts, like a lot of different images. I put together my design using all Cricut assets. So for your convenience, if you're interested in making a poster for yourself, I have the project linked in the video description. Once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut. By the way, you can use the software Cricut Design Space on your desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphone. The whole process, in my opinion, is very seamless and easy. I know I have this project linked in the description already, but I still want to show you how I did my design in Design Space from scratch using all Cricut assets. And it's actually very easy. I'm going to show you the steps and how I found the assets that I need. In case you want to personalize a poster like different from my design, it doesn't have to be a timeline, it could be something else. Now let's get started.
Open Design Space first. I used the version on my desktop for this project. Click Text to add a title. You can drag the text box and adjust the size of it. And you can change the default text to The Story of Us or any title that you want. And then change the font of the title. I like something artistic and something like handwriting. Now let's move on to the next one, but you can always come back to the title and make changes. Now repeat the same steps for the names. Create a new text and change the text to the names. For this line, I want something formal, something retro, so this font looks good. Now I have Chris and Robert under The Story of Us. And the contrasty fonts of these two titles look really interesting. Now let's create a framework of the timeline using the shapes. For basic cuts, I think it's much easier to use square or rectangle to draw the lines. Again, you can always adjust the size, the length, and the thickness of the lines. I'm not going to use this project for drawing. I am going to use it for vinyl. That's why I need a little bit thickness for easy assembly. Now I just created a long line in the middle as the base of the timeline. For the horizontal short lines, you can use the same shape method, or you can just do copy and paste. Make sure you change the direction of the line to horizontal and then make it a shorter line. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the horizontal lines. Now you can click Images to find the images for each milestone. You can see so many creative free assets on Design Space. If you subscribe to the membership, you can definitely get more. But for my project, I think these free images are good enough. From this step, all you want to do is to add symbol images like this, followed by the time. I used the year and your love story, which will be a very short sentence to describe what happened in that year. You probably know how to put together all the assets. Now I'm going to fast forward a little bit to show you the final design. So here is the completed timeline. It looks good. The one last thing I want to do is to add the ending, which is to be continued. Again, you want to use the text and adjust the size and the font and drag it to the desired position. Here is the final design of my poster. I am very happy with what I have on the canvas. As long as you have all the stories in your mind, it's very easy to execute your design on the canvas in Design Space. Now let's move on to the cutting. For this project, I'll be using smart material, removable vinyl. It feeds directly to the machine. Of course, you can use permanent vinyl for the project or change the color. I already have the poster design on the phone. Just pull out the design from the app and click Make It. It shows basic cut and select the material. And I like to have more pressure on this cut. Now the machine received my design, just go ahead and load the material, press load button. The machine will automatically check the whole material to make sure it's long enough to cover the entire cut. When the measurement is done, just go ahead and press start. The machine starts cutting immediately. This machine cuts really quickly, but the poster has a lot of elements, a lot of pieces to cut, so it takes about 3 to 4 minutes. When the machine stops cutting, just press unload. I can just use the trimmer on the loader to trim the material. Now I'm going to remove unwanted materials using the weeding tools. The weeder is so helpful when I'm doing all the details. If you prefer, you can definitely use the scissor to trim the material into smaller pieces. For the thinnest and the smallest text, I also use the spatula to keep the cut in place. Up next, just use a transfer tape to transfer the whole cut onto the transfer tape and then onto the final cardstock. When the application is done, make sure you scrape the whole piece using a scraper. Now I have the cardstock. It's a lot bigger than my design, so I will trim the cardstock to fit the whole cut. To separate the white sheet of the transfer tape, I decided to trim the material into smaller pieces for easy assembly. Now just separate the white sheet from the transfer tape and the cut, and stick the transfer tape with the cut onto the cardstock. Overall, I think this poster still looks like a handmade poster. This is so beautiful. When everything is attached to the cardstock, use a scraper to make sure it's closely attached to the cardstock, and then remove the clear transfer tape. This last step goes really quickly and it's very easy to remove. It feels very satisfying actually. By the way, you can always make small adjustments if you see some letter or some images are not like perfectly aligned. You can use a scraper or you can use a weeder to make small minor changes. But to me, this poster, the final work, looks already very perfect.
So this is my final project, this poster, love story poster. This one can be a beautiful wedding gift, anniversary gift, or birthday gift as well. If you ever need to get any personalized scenes in your life for yourself or your loved ones, you can have a try with Cricut. I believe Cricut is very, very easy to learn. It's very beginner friendly. It's totally like a great investment for your creativity. And you can find the links of the machine, materials, Cricut Design Space, and my project in the video description down below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Use the comment section down below. I hope you enjoy your Cricut projects as much as I do. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!